dude, I'm ready to race. Oh, man, I'm ready.
Okay, drivers, get your engines ready. Set, go.
Oh, dude, no fear. I'm gonna catch up. Oh, I'm catching up with you guys. I'm winning, Joker. Not for long, dude. Dude, that sucks, Junior. Yeah, first place. How's the race going?
Okay, Junior, you need to be careful. All right,
Okay.
buckle your seatbelt. Watch out for those items.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Oh, last place? I don't even want to do this stupid race anymore. Joseph stupid, Cody stupid, Toad stupid. Everybody's just stupid. I don't even want to race anymore. Hey, dumb. Racing's stupid anyways. Dumb. That's a win, dude. Stupid. This is stupid. Take this, Toad.
All right, Ken, it's our last chance to take first place. Use a thunderbolt.
I'll get you.
Yes, Ken, we're winning. We're almost there.
Oh, Cody can't win. Okay, I have to stop Cody, and I have the blue shell, and I'm gonna wipe him out.
Win this for me, baby, before Junior catches up.
Wait, what, kid? Kid, you're not gonna win this.
Hey guys, guess who came in first place? Was it my hunky boyfriend in my cart? I think it was. Suck it.
Junior, it wasn't even fair, dude. It was not fair at all. Cody, Cody, you were supposed to be in the cart to win.
Suck it.
Kid was in it. Kid is not even alive.
I should have won, dude.
No, that trophy's supposed to be mine. I came in second.
Oh, you came in second?
Yeah.
You know where I'm second.
What?
Suck it.
Dude, this isn't fair. Why is Cody winning? I know. He's a loser. That was supposed to be my trophy, Cody.
Dude, I'm going. I don't want to see him win.
Suck it.
Me too, dude. I should have won.